Welcome back. In project number 4, as usual, we search for free images. We create animated object. Here is what we will create in project number 4. Let me preview it. You will see a car coming out from a house, a garage. Okay, let's play it and see. You see, it comes, turn around, and goes. So this is what we will be creating in project number 4. So let's dive into it. As usual, we download the images and we use them. Okay, let's download the first one. Control click, download it. The second one, okay, the third one, okay. So here are all the images we need for this project. Now let's go and start the project. Okay, now let's start the design. This is a new document. Bring the background. Control V, enlarge it, and make sure the rounded corners are not showing. Okay, let's preview it and see. We have some here, so escape. Okay, I hope now it will be okay. Okay, let's preview it and see. Okay, perfect. Okay, now let's bring our second image, which is this. Paste it here. As you can see, this is clouds with ocean. So but the way we are going to use it, the oceans are not going to show. So send it back, okay, and where is it? Okay, this is it. Okay, okay. Let's preview it and see. You can see, you can even see the ocean. Okay. Okay, now let's bring our first car, which is this. I hope this one. Okay, drag it here. Okay, let's see how it looks. Okay, you can see escape. Now let's add animation to it. Look for the line. Okay, you can see, drag this here. So let's see now. Very good. Okay, escape. Let's bring our second image. It's the turning of the car. Put it somewhere here. Enlarge it a bit. Okay, let's play it again. Okay, now you are seeing two cars. So we'll edit it and the first car disappears. Okay, now let's add the magic one. Okay, now this one, let's add another animation to it. Let's make it disappear. Bam. Okay, so, and this one too, let's make it appear. Okay, let's check the image, the preview, and see. As soon as it comes here, the next thing for it is to disappear, and the second image will appear. So check it again. As soon as the first image disappear, the second image will appear. So you won't notice. So, but they are all on mouse click. So let me change the second image to, let's bring the animation pane, the second image to start with previous. It means as soon as the previous reaches the first image, disappears, it will start. Okay, let's start the animation preview and see. You see? Very good. Okay, now let's add our third image, which is this one. Okay, you can see it here. Let's enlarge it a bit. Still, okay. Okay, now let's check the animation. Okay, you can see this, the face has disappeared, and the second one have to disappear. We will do it now, and the remaining car will be the third one. So let's make the second image disappear. Okay, this one, let's add animation to it. Disappear. Okay, now let's check let's see, as soon as this one comes, it disappears. Okay, now let's bring this one here and apply animation to it. Okay, now this one will appear. So when this one disappears, this one will appear. So let's start with previous. It means As soon as this is done, this will start. Okay, let me preview it. See? Okay, you can see. Let me preview again. As soon as this turn, it will go. Okay. Okay, now let's put this one somewhere here. Okay, let's see. Okay, now let's animate this one again. Okay, now let's add animation to this. As I said, choose line. Okay, let's zoom out and see. Drag the endpoint to the left. Okay, let's see how it is now. Okay, so you can see it is moving. So let's change this to start with previous, which means it will start as soon as this one, the last animation ends. And also let's delay this for 25 seconds. Okay, let's see. Okay, so the car comes out from the garage, turn and go. Let's see it again. Okay, but let's move this a bit here. Okay, let's see. Okay, it is still here. Let's move it a bit. Okay, now let's see. Okay, so this is the end of our project. So I'll see you in the next lecture. Thank you.